Hello, everybody. This is FC7,
And Misty 2001.
and today we're going to show you how we made Instant Pot spaghetti.
Yeah, it was actually a really easy recipe. I didn't realize you could do it until I found it online.
All right, so here are the ingredients.
We needed spaghetti noodles, or, well, any noodles you like, spaghetti sauce, meat, and water. 4 ingredients. That's not bad.
Yeah. So with the meat, you said we needed 80/20, or doesn't it matter?
It doesn't matter. With 80/20, you're going to end up having to drain the grease off of it anyway, because who wants that in their spaghetti?
Not me.
Not me either. So I actually, most of the time, use 90/10.
Right. So here are the ingredients.
So you got your meat, your pasta,
Your sauce.
and your pasta sauce. I actually find it a lot easier to cut that open with scissors instead of trying to wrestle with it.
Yeah.
Just not using a scissors.
So right now
So-
we're sauteing the meat.
Right now we're going to saute the meat. Turn your Instant Pot on saute for approximately 15 minutes. It did actually take less time to saute. So
Yeah.
it may take less time than 15 minutes, or it may take more time. Who knows, depending on what setting you have your Instant Pot on. I did it on high.
Yeah. So you want to stir it regularly while
Yeah.
it's sauteing?
Yeah. Just whenever it starts to sizzle more,
Yeah.
then you're going to want to stir it, because then it's starting to not overcook, but then it's starting to cook on the bottom.
Right. And you don't want that. So now it looks nice and brown.
Yep. Drain your meat.
So we're just getting a lot of the fat out of there.
Yep. And actually, what I found helped was we have 2 Instant Pot inserts. So I put the one that I browned the meat in aside, and then I used a clean one for the rest of the recipe.
That's a nice, helpful tip. Just buy 2 of them
Yeah.
and switch off between them.
It actually makes Instant Pot recipes a lot easier, because then you don't have to take time washing them.
That makes a lot of sense.
Another helpful tip, they come out really, really clean in the dishwasher.
I can imagine. So there we are, adding it to the second one.
Yep. And then the important thing is to add your noodles first, like on top of the meat. So then I added about half of the box. And then you add your spaghetti sauce. Prego is my preference.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah. Or actually, I guess I can't say my preference, our preference. Because you like Prego too, right?
Yeah, I do.
And then you add approximately a cup of water.
Very important.
Yes, very important. Otherwise, it will burn to the bottom and your noodles will not get done. I learned that from experience.
Yeah.
And then you set your Instant Pot on high for 8 minutes.
So we'll set it for 8 minutes here in a second. There we go. So 8 minutes later, make sure that the little, what is that?
The,
Stopper? Steam?
I'm not
valve?
sure exactly what that is. If you know what that thing is, the thing on top that has to go down before you can open it. If you
Right.
know what that is, leave it in the comments. So then there's your spaghetti. As you can see, it's still kind of bubbling a little bit, which is good. Beware, it's going to be hot though. So I would let it stand a little bit before eating.
Looks delicious.
It was delicious. So then I usually add Parmesan for my garnish. Ugh, I use Parmesan for every Italian dish.
Yeah.
So good.
So you said there's also some other ingredients that you want to add next time? Like
Yeah, next
onions?
time I'd like to add a chopped onion, probably a half, and maybe some minced garlic.
Yeah. But we just kept it simple in this video.
Yeah, we kept it very basic.
Yeah. All right, well, that should just about do it for this one.
Yep.
Everybody have a great day. Any questions or comments, leave them below.
Thanks. Have a great night.